The Government Information Office in Gaza has accused Israel of dishonesty regarding its declaration of a daily halt in military operations in southern Gaza. This statement comes a day after the Israeli military announced a tactical pause from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. to facilitate the movement of aid trucks from the Kerem Shalom crossing up the Salah al-Din road northwards. The Kerem Shalom crossing, serving as a crucial entry point for aid into southern Gaza, and the Rafah crossing, another key passage for humanitarian assistance, have seen repeated closures. Gaza officials claim these closures are a deliberate strategy by Israel to obstruct essential supplies, including food and medicine, using the starvation of civilians as a warfare tactic. The Gaza Information Office emphasized the urgent need to open the Rafah crossing to ensure humanitarian aid reaches all parts of Gaza, especially the northern regions. They also condemned the destruction of passenger halts at Rafah by Israeli forces, labeling it part of Israel's broader actions against Palestinians in Gaza. Contrary to the Israeli military's plan, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has labelled the idea of a limited pause in operations near the Gaza crossing as unacceptable. Netanyahu's remarks followed a significant domestic backlash over his handling of the protracted conflict with Hamas and a particularly deadly period for Israeli forces. The weekend saw substantial losses for the Israeli military, with 8 combat engineering soldiers killed in Rafah after their armored personnel carrier was hit, likely by a Hamas anti-tank missile. Additional casualties included 2 soldiers in northern Gaza and a third succumbing to previous injuries. Another soldier was killed in an explosion at the entrance to a Hamas tunnel in Rafah. The conflict, which escalated on October 7 following a major operation by Hamas in response to Israeli actions against Palestinians, has resulted in severe casualties. Israeli military actions have led to the deaths of at least 37,337 Palestinians, predominantly women and children, and left 85,299 injured. Recent Palestinian media reports highlight continued violence, with 41 Palestinians killed and over 100 injured in Israeli airstrikes within the past 24 hours. Among these victims were 9 individuals who died in the Al-Bureji refugee camp in central Gaza following airstrikes on 2 houses. The ongoing violence underscores the urgent need for a humanitarian resolution and the facilitation of aid to the beleaguered residents of Gaza.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.